Hi guys, welcome to my channel What's Up Lifestyle. I'm Yvonne. I just woke up some time back and I freshened up and I got ready and stuff. Now I've decided I'll do a challenge today. It's going to be exciting for you guys but difficult for me. It is the liquid diet challenge. So in this challenge is basically that I have to have everything liquid and I cannot have anything solid. To start with, have a cup of milk with some chocolate health drink. Yes, I usually have a breakfast of either chapati with the tea, but today I have to have this. So let's start it. So guys, I'm done with my milk. I hope so it keeps me going for some time. When I feel hungry, I'll get back. So guys, I'm super hungry. I've not had anything else. So now for lunch, I'm going to make a chiku smoothie. So now for my chiku smoothie. So now I finished my smoothie. It was filling, but I don't know how long is it going to keep me on. So now once again I feel hungry, I'll catch you all guys. And the last meal I had, I think, was the chiku smoothie. That was at nearly in the afternoon for lunch. That was a little bit quite filling, so I was okay. I was just doing here and there some work. And now it's tea time. So for tea, I'm going to be just having plain green tea. Usually I have some popcorns or either some makana or either some bhel, but today it's plain green tea. So let's have it. It's quite hot. Just had it. Still the tea is quite refreshing, and whatever extra whatever is there will get washed away with this green tea. So the tea was really refreshing. I'm feeling a little bit active again. So I'll see whatever remaining works are there. I'll just finish that and then I'll see you if I feel hungry again. So guys, the current time is only 6:50, but I am starving. So now I'm going to make a sort of a chocolate milkshake for me, just to overcome that small hunger of mine. So for that I have taken Well, one, imagine what's happening outside. It's pouring cats and dogs. In such a weather, anybody would have liked a hot plate of pakoda with chai. And I am here having milkshake today. Okay, let it be. Let's have it. It's delicious. I have some more. Relief to my hunger. So now I'm done with my chocolate milkshake. Let's see for how long it holds me. And then when I'm having my dinner, I'll see you all back. Till then, I'll see you all. Okay, so guys, as you all can see, now the time is 9:12 and I'm super hungry again. That milkshake was not that heavy also. So now for night, for dinner, I'm going to have a vegetable clear soup. Actually, I was going to order something from out, but now due to Corona, I cannot have anything from out. So I'll have to make it at home. So now for my vegetable soup, I'll be taking some beetroots, some carrots, some onion and some tomatoes. I'll boil them, puree them and get the soup, and then I'll get back to you guys. So guys, the time is currently 10:30, if you can see it. I'm super hungry and this soup took such a long time to become, but now it's finally here. So I'll do a taste test. Quite delicious. So I'll enjoy my soup and get back to you all. So now I'm done with my soup. I'm feeling super full right now. I sit for some time, I just scroll through some YouTube videos and then I'll call it a day. I'll see you all in the morning guys. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and a very good morning. So today we have reached the end of the challenge, that is the liquid diet challenge, and I started it yesterday at around something 8:30 something, and now it's 9 and I just woke up sometime back, freshened up and stuff. So for overall this challenge, I really enjoyed doing this challenge, though I faced some difficulties, like I was feeling hungry because I'm not used to having only liquids throughout the day. Also that milk was like a savior for me because it helped me to sustain for at least a short period of time at least. If I would have had only like some juice or something, I don't know if I would have been able to sustain. Also, if you all, even if you all like this challenge, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have watched it till here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the post notification bell and hit the like button as well. And I'll see you all in my more coming challenge videos. Till then, bye.